Hello everyone, Elias5891 here with another KTANE module tutorial. This time we are covering the Burglar Alarm module. This one is hedgework heavy, so we're going to do something a little different. As you can see here, I've kind of got the Twitch plays set up on screen. Most of it you don't need to worry about, you can kind of ignore. But A, it gives me the option to refer to a particular module number. More importantly, though, up here it has printed the edge work, which we're going to use, as opposed to going over and taking the time to read it all out and type it up. So, to kind of illustrate how this translates to what we normally say, for this one, I would say we have one battery in one holder, a lit FRK, an unlit MSA, 2 port plates. We have a DVI, a PS2, and an RJ on one, a parallel and a serial on the other, and our serial number is Quebec November 2, Zulu Charlie 9. So this is just shorthand for writing all of that out. So we're going to be referencing that just to save us the trouble of doing that on each of these. Anyway, you'll notice I have some switches. There's some module count based stuff, so we can manipulate a little with that. But here's a burglar alarm module. It consists of a number pad, an X button, which is disarm, a check button, which is submit, and this number up at the top, which is what, as the diffuser, you'll need to tell your expert. I have a burglar alarm. Number is 5308. 5426. As the expert, space those out. It's just a matter of going through a pretty hefty number of mini tables to get a secondary number, and then we're going to add them. So let's go through this table. You're going to start with the number on the module, boop, and then, oops, and then for each digit, we're going to go through the number section, we're going to check the rules, we're going to get another digit for a second number. So for our second number, first digit, is the battery is greater than the number of ports. We had one battery, we have 5 ports, so that's false. Is the last digit of the module number even? So that 5308, 5426, is the last digit of that even? It is, yes. So we have a 3 for our first digit. For number 2, do we have a PS2 port? Yes, we do. Are there more letters than digits in the serial number? There are 4 letters and 2 digits, so yes, there are. Second digit is a 0. Number 3, are there an even number of solved modules? Yeah, we have 0. Is the third digit of the module even? Module number is 530. Third digit is 0. That is even. So we have an 8. Number 4, the sum of the digits on the module total up to an odd number. So I could add up all the digits on the module. 5 and 3 is 8, and 8 is 16, 5 is 21, and 4 is 25, and 2 is 27, 6 is 33. To get no, that's false. Or, since an odd and an even adds to an odd, and an even and an odd and an odd add to an even, instead of being, oh, the sum of the digits is an odd, be like, okay, how many odd numbers do I have? I have 3. I have an odd number of odd numbers, so my sum is going to be odd. If I say had 6 odd numbers, I have an even number of odd digits, so my sum is going to be even. So there's a little shortcut for you. So the sum of the digits total up to an odd number. Actually said that was true, because there's 3 odd digits. That's true. Number of port plates greater than number of indicators. 2 port plates, 2 indicators. That's false. So we get a 3. Fifth, number of solved modules is greater than, well, we have 0 solved modules, so it doesn't even matter. Number of battery times port plates. Yeah, that's no. Number of ports greater than the number of indicators. 5 greater than 2. That's a definite. So we have a 7. Sixth digit. Is there a parallel port? Yes. Is there a serial port? Yes. Gives us a 1. Seventh, Number of batteries greater than 4, that would be false. No lit indicator, that would also be false, so we have a 9. Last, number of batteries equals number of indicators. 1 equals 2. Nope. Serial number contains any letters or numbers in AL53M. No A, no L, no 5, no 3, no M. False. That gives us an 8. So our secondary number is 30837198. Next, once we've got these two, we're going to add each digit position. So we're going to do 5 plus 3, 3 plus 0, 0 plus 8, 8 plus 3, so on and so on. If we get a 2-digit number, then we will disregard the first digit and only look at the second. So kind of like a forget-me-not, in that all we care about is the least significant digit, the rightmost digit. So let's add them up. 5 and 3 is 8, 3 and 0 is 3, 0 and 8 is 8, 8 and 3 is 11, but we only look at the last digit, so that's a 1. 5 and 7 is 12, ends in a 2. 4 and 1 is 5, 2 and 9 is 11, 6 and 8 is 14. So this is our solution, 83812514. Now, as the expert, we'll say, okay, burglar alarm. I personally like to say the number once. They'll tell me to go, and then I'll say it again, because this, like zoo or point of order, is a timed module. Once you hit the X button to disarm the alarm, you have 15 seconds to input the code. So I'd say, okay, burglar alarm, 83812514. And this is the fuse we go. Okay, say it again. 8381 2514. 14. And confirm. It is disarmed, we get the green light, and we're done with the module. It's not a hard module, but there's a lot of little bitty shifts over here, and it's very easy to mess one up. I mean, I almost errored here, which would have given me a 7 instead of a 3 there. Messed the whole thing up. Let's do another one. Let's actually get a different bomb, though. So, let's say goodbye to this bomb. Get a new one. There we go. And let's go ahead and solve... There, we've got 3 solves. That'll give us something a little different. Edge work, up at the top, 1 battery and 1 holder. Lit CLR, lit MSA, lit SIG, unlit IND. Serial number 9 November 5, India 5. We'll do number 10 up here. Our number is 26341810. 26341810. So it's the expert. Alright, batteries over ports, 1 greater than 0, true. Even number of battery holders, there was 1, that's false. And I'm not going to write the numbers down until I'm done. Number 2, PS2 port present, false. Lit Bob, also false. Number 3, even number of soft modules, false. RJ port, false. Number 4, sum of the module digits add up to odd. How many odd numbers do we have? 3, 1, 1. So we have 3 of them. That's going to add up to an odd number, because we have an odd number of odd digits. Number of port plates greater than number of indicators, that's not true. 5th one, number of soft modules, 3, is greater than the number of batteries times port plates. We have 1 battery times 0 port plates is 0. 3 soft modules, 3 is greater than 0, that's true. Even number of ports, we have 0 ports, so that is an even number, 9. Next one, parallel port, false. Lit FRQ, false. Number 7, more than 4 batteries, false. No lit indicator, false. Last up, number of batteries equals number of indicator, 1 equals 4, false. Serial contains ALM53, there's a 5, multiple 5s, so that's true. So we'll look at the numbers we got there at the end. 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 4, 9, 0. And then we will add them. 3, 8, 6, 7, 10 ends in a 0. 12 ends in a 2, 10 ends in a 0, 0. Alright, burglar alarm. Ready? 3867 0200. 38670200. Excellent. We'll do one more. New bomb. We'll do one solve this, or two solves this time. There we go. Alright, we're going to do number 15. Number is 16015402. Alright, clear the board. Edge work, 3 batteries and 2 holders. Unlit CLR. An RJ port on 2 port plates, 1 empty. Number 988, Kilo Whiskey 3. Number was 16015402. And I do want to illustrate a strike on this, so let's do that. Let's make an error somewhere. See if you can catch where I make the error. Number 1, batteries greater than ports. 3 greater than 1, true. Even number of battery holders, we have 2, also true. Number 2, PS2 port present, false. Lit bulb, false. You do tend to go down this path pretty frequently. Number 3, even number of solved modules is true. I have 2. Third digit of module is even. Third digit is a 0. That's true. Sum of digits on the module total up to an odd number. 1, 0, 1, 5. We have 3 odd numbers. 3 odd numbers are going to add up to an odd. Number of port plates greater than number of indicators. That's 2 port plates over 1 indicator. That's true. Come on. There we go. Well, I think my mouse is giving me a little trouble. There we go. Sorry about that. 5th one. Number of solved modules, 2. Greater than batteries times port plates. It's true. Even number of port plates, there were 2. That's true. Number 6, parallel port. False. Lit FRQ. False. Number of batteries greater than 4. False. No lit indicator. CLR is unlit. So there are no lit indicators. That's true. Number 8, batteries equals indicators. 3 equals 1. False. Same serial characters. A, L, 3. We do have a 3. That gives me a 0. And there we go. We are going to add, or at least we thought we were going to add, 9287 9440, which totals to 10,888 14,842. Ready to submit? 0888 4842. Now, remember, we missed something. We erred in our table. So we should miss this.
Protected by a security system.
It has a very interesting strike sound attached to it. I mean, aside from the buzzer sound, which is mine, that huge text and alarm sounding is part of this module. I think that's very creative. Notice on the strike the number does not change. It's just a matter of find your error and fix it. If you followed along, you'll know that my error was in number 5. Number of solve modules over number of batteries times port plates. That's 2 is greater than 3 times 2, which is 6. So 2 is greater than 6. That's false. So we should have gone over here. Number of ports greater than number of indicators. 1 greater than 1. That's also false. So we should have actually gotten an 8 for number 5. So this 9 here should have been 8, which means this 4 should have been a 3. Luckily, an error just means one number of your answer needs to be fixed. Now, if I was in a real bomb and I did that, I would probably take the time to check the others because I don't know which one I missed. Maybe I missed multiple ones. It's a little time consuming, but if you've made an error once, you kind of owe it to your diffuser to go through and probably be a little more careful unless time is just that short. So let's submit again. This time we will hopefully get it right. Ready? 0888 3842. Disarm. I'm going to go ahead and show if you hit numbers first. Meh. If you hit disarm, I said you had a 15-second time limit. We hit it about 52 after. We're also on one strike time though, so we'll just let the 15 seconds elapse here. Should be coming up on it.
You have violated an area protected by a
And you'll see it
security
does the
system.
same thing, which is great. I do enjoy that. But that is burglar alarm. You can also, by the way, put in only 8 digits. If you exceed 8, you'll immediately strike, which is nice in that it tells you, hey, you messed up the input because you put 9 numbers in. So that's another nice feature about the strikes on this one. So lots of positives to say about that part, especially. But that's burglar alarm. Let's do one more in our usual fashion. Let's blank the screen and let you take a crack at it. We will grab a new bomb yet again. For our new bomb, our edge work is 1 battery in 1 holder, unlit TRN, 3 port plates total. They include a serial port and a PS2 port, and an empty one. Our number is Papa Quebec 1, Charlie Echo 3. And we're going to do what will be module 20 on this bomb. It is 9488 9652. That number again, 9488 9652. Take a second, pause, see what you get for your answer. As a side note, we are going to solve this at 3 solved modules. I will have 3 solved modules when I come back, so use that in your calculation. Alright, let's go over it together, see what happens. You'll notice I do have the 3 solved as I stated. There's my additional number, 94889652. So let's go through this real quick. Batteries over ports, false. Last digit, even, true. PS2 port, true. More letters than digits in the serial number, true. Even number of solved modules, false. RJ port, false. Add up to an odd number. There were 3 odd numbers yet again. Number of D batteries exceeds A, that's true. Solve modules greater than port plates times batteries. So close, they're equal, but it was not bigger this time. Ports over indicators, true, 2 beats 1. Parallel port is a no. Lit FRQ is a no. Batteries over 4 is a no. No indicators, true. Batteries equals indicators is true, which gives us a little bit larger set of serial number characters to look for, which we do have a 1, so that one comes true. So all that gives us a number of 303777441, which totals out to 24156093. 2415 6093. And that, my friends, is burglar alarm. So that's going to wrap this one up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or suggestions, as always, leave them in the section down below, as always. Let me know how you feel about the edge work up at the top. That's a feature I'm thinking about implementing moving forward. Cut back on some of the time when it comes to reading that out. And more importantly, by using the Twitch Plays thing, I can do things like skip bombs without going all the way back to the screen. So let me know if that's something that does not overly bother you. And that'll wrap things up. So, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, have fun and don't explode. Bye.